Hi everybody, Ms. Howell here. I'm giving you the weekly update for the week of April 13th. And in our read before each class module, I'd like you to notice that we've got some class updates. I'm going to click on those and it'll take me to this document. Here's our goals. Our goals are to prepare as best we can for the AP Physics test. I believe that most of you are still planning to take the AP Physics test, and I'd like to help you study. Some of you may be going on and studying more physics in the future, so we want to support that future study. The most important thing is that you do what you can to meet your goals and don't worry about the rest. Your health and mental well-being are absolutely the most important thing. To that end, to this idea of well-being and that students need to may need to focus on part of their schoolwork more than others, there are some changes to the school grading policy. After March 13th, which was the last day that we were in school, missing assignments will not count in your grade. And graded assignments that do not raise your grade will be exempted. And therefore, your grade cannot go down for any reason. So I would encourage you to keep working on physics to meet these goals and not worry too hard about your grade. If you do have a question about your grade, if there's something you feel you need to improve, please let me know and we will work together to make it happen. I've mapped out the curriculum for the rest of the class, and last week I'd asked you to study kinematics. This week we're going to study forces and Newton's laws. Then we've got work, energy, and power. Then we've got momentum and rotation. And actually, I think some of this rotation is going to bleed into this week of the May 4th. And then the AP Physics C exam is on Monday, May 11th. After that, I've got a virtual field trip lined up and just some reflection. I've got AP Physics C testing information on this page. Please read it. The most important thing is that the exam will take place on Monday, May 11th at 11 a.m. It'll take approximately 45 minutes plus time to upload your responses. The other thing is that it consists of free response questions. So the activities and things I'm asking you to in class are the things that I think will support you doing free response work the best. And there will be a lot of watching the AP College Board videos, because I think those videos, again, will best support your ability to answer these free response questions. So there's some more Q&A down here. I will admit I borrowed this / stole it from the AP Lang teachers, but it was so good and they're such good writers. There's some good clarification there. So take a look at that. If you, well, back to our Canvas course. If you go to the weekly plan, which is where our curriculum is housed, and scroll down, I've put each week on a different page. And you'll see the week of 4/13. Again, these videos are rather long. They're about 50 minutes. And I'm just asking you to do as much as you can. Don't worry if you cut some corners. I do think watching the videos and trying to do the practice problems is the best thing you can do to prepare for the AP exam. I think that the teachers that are doing those videos, presenting those videos, are collaborating with the writers at the College Board, and I think that's probably our best source of information. I am not yet going to ask you to upload your questions. I'm going to see what you guys say in this Google form. So one thing I would like you to do this week is check in with me. I have some questions for you about how is online learning going? How's it going in this class? And I'd like you to let me know what things are working for you and what things aren't. And that's going to help me make some decisions. Again, I think that watching these videos is probably the best thing, but if you tell me something different, that will help me make different choices. So that's what we're looking at this week. We're looking at reviewing Newton's laws and by watching the College Board videos. Okay, again, I've got units down here, or modules down here with those links to those videos and links to the class check-in, so you can access them in a couple of different ways. Thank you so much for all of your engagement so far. Please let me know how I can support you as we continue on with this course. I miss seeing you. I really miss class, but I'm glad we can at least be together somewhat virtually.